Joy Home Remedies brings you 10 natural home remedies for headaches that actually work. There comes a point when the world of deadlines, irksome bosses, late nights, skimpy sleep schedules and traffic jams take a toll on us. So, what do you do when your bad day culminates to a severe migraine? The easy way out is of course to pop a painkiller. But lucky for you, I've compiled a list of the best natural home remedies for headaches that actually work. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger is one of my favorite natural remedies to relieve headaches. It helps reduce inflammation of the blood vessels in the head, hence easing the pain. And since it stimulates digestion, it also helps quell the nausea which occurs during migraines. Simply steep ginger root for tea, or mix equal parts of ginger juice and lemon juice, and drink up. You can consume this once or twice a day. You can also apply a paste of ginger powder and 2 tablespoons of water on your forehead for a few minutes to provide quick relief. Number 2. Peppermint oil. With its refreshing scent, peppermint helps open up clogged blood vessels which cause headaches. It contains menthol which helps regulate blood flow in the body. Quietly breathe in the aroma in a cool, dark room. You can also mix 3 drops of peppermint oil in 1 tablespoon of almond oil, or just add a little water and massage your temples or the back of your neck with it. Number 3. Lavender oil. Not only does lavender have a beautiful fragrance, it's also one of the best remedies for alleviating headaches. Simply smelling the soothing scent of lavender essential oil helps. You can also add 2 drops of lavender oil to 2 cups of boiling water and inhale the steam. Another option is to mix 2 or 3 drops in 1 tablespoon of almond oil or olive oil and massage your forehead with it. Number 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a miracle spice that can effectively treat headaches. Just grind some cinnamon sticks into a powder and add some water to make a thick paste. Apply it on your forehead and temples and lie down for 30 minutes. Then wash it off with lukewarm water. Number 5. Rosemary. This lovely herb can be used as a natural way to cure a headache. To relieve headache pain, dab a drop or 2 of rosemary essential oil on each temple and on your forehead. Rub gently into the skin, then sit quietly for several minutes to let this home remedy work. Number 6. Cloves. Cloves can be used to ease a throbbing headache, thanks to its cooling and pain-relieving properties. Crush a few cloves gently and put them in a sachet or a clean handkerchief. Inhale the smell of the crushed cloves whenever you have a headache, until you get some relief from the pain. You can also put 2 drops of clove oil in a tablespoon of coconut oil plus sea salt and gently massage your forehead and temples with it. Number 7. Basil. This strong scented herb is often used as a natural headache treatment because of its many analgesic benefits. The oil works as a muscle relaxant and helps get rid of headaches caused by tension and tight muscles. To make your natural headache remedy, just put 3 or 4 fresh basil leaves in a cup of boiling water and let it simmer. Add a little honey and sip the tea slowly. You can also chew some fresh basil leaves, or inhale the steam after boiling basil in a pot of water. Number 8. Apple. Both apples and apple cider vinegar can be used to fight off a headache. They help restore the acid-alkaline balance in the body. Mix half a cup of apple cider vinegar with half a cup of water and boil the mixture in a covered saucepan. Then, remove it from the heat, hold a towel over your head and slowly inhale the steam. This will provide instant relief from sinus headaches. If you wake up with a headache, just eat a piece of apple sprinkled with salt, and drink some warm water after. You can also try adding 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water, with honey and a splash of lemon juice, and drink this 2 to 3 times a day. Number 9. Basic stretches. A few simple exercises to stretch your head and neck can help reduce the intensity of the headache. Move your chin upwards and downwards, left and right, and bend your neck sideways towards each shoulder. You can also try to slowly rotate the neck in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions to help the shoulder and neck muscles relax. So when a headache looms, you know what to do. Number 10. Heat up or cool down. Applying an ice pack to the back of your neck can give relief from a migraine, since the cold from the ice helps reduce inflammation that contributes to headaches. Plus, it has a numbing effect on the pain. And believe it or not, just soaking your feet in hot water also helps get rid of a headache. For a severe headache, add a bit of hot mustard powder to the water. You can also place a washcloth dipped in ice cold or hot water over your head for 5 minutes. Repeat the process several times. It is essential that you avoid headache-inducing substances like MSG, excessive caffeine and alcohol, as well as too much chocolate. It's also best to cut down on cheese, and to avoid aspartame, present in many artificially sweetened foods. If you start getting a headache, steer clear of all devices including your phone, laptop and TV. Eat healthy, and at regular intervals, since a drop in blood sugar can set the stage for headaches. At least 3 times a week, if not more, spend 30 minutes exercising. And always, I mean always, stay hydrated. Thanks for watching. If you think what you've learned in this video is useful, please slam that like button, and share it with your friends. It really helps out our channel. For more videos like this, please subscribe and click on the little bell.